Oh, we'll go this way. Come on. Come on this way. Go on this way, man. Okay. Come on. I know they've got dogs here, so come on, son. I'll put them in the leader. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Take no notice. Come on. Take no notice. Come on. Come on. How are they going? Come on. Yeah, man. Look at that. Wow. Prize dog. That's right. You agree, don't you? Blackbird. Come on. Come on. The amount of times I've been stopped. That lady, we got a good talk. She's one of the, she looks after the horses. She was telling us all sorts of stories. I was telling her the sign I saw. And she told us a few things. She was interested. Come on. Look at him. Look at him. Right, I'm going to let you off here. Behave yourself. Don't run back there, mind. No, this way. That way. That way. Come on. Good boy. Good lad. You see, Christopher? You think I'm suffering, don't you? You see. I'm not. Come on. Up here we go. Come on. That way. Come on. Come on. This way. You see what he did? Yeah. I touched his backside and he went, oh. I tickle him on his bum sometimes and he does this funny thing. Christopher, with his leg. Then I go down to his belly and then he goes even crazier. Because you agree there, did you hear it? He listens to every word I say. So I've got to be careful what I say. He knows the English language now because I've taught him. He knows some swear words as well. You taught him them. Aye, not me. I don't swear. Have you heard me swear yet? I have great self-control. I can go anywhere and not swear. Is that true? Anyway, I'll tell you what. I'm in a place here. No one knows. It's a strange place. The sky is quite eerie. There's a sound. Can you hear it? Huh? The frequencies. My Father's bringing in new frequencies. Where is he? New frequencies. And if you don't match them, it will destroy. You have to reach that frequency to survive what's coming. So get your vibration high. Get into the kingdom of love. It's the only way. Follow my example. come into the kingdom. And it will all be, oh, mirrors in my heart. Oh, and the heart in this. Oh, yes. Oh, how is it now? I would say. You take the high road and I'll take the low road and I'll be in Scotland the 40. Do you want to join in singing soon? No, he says you fucking idiot. Oh no, I've swan. Actually, I didn't. It was him. It was him. It was him who. I just said what he was singing. So I haven't sworn up to now. You see. So if I put it up on YouTube, children friendly, let it be known. He said it, not me. I'm Dr. Dolittle. Excuse me, I do a lot. Dolittle. Now, can I read Bowser? Do I know what he's singing? Can I tell you what he's singing? Yes. Is that not Ouija Ouija stuff? Ouija board, Ouija Ouija. Reading like the mind of a dog. Nobody's talking about. Nobody's trying to talk about to me. You think I'm mad? You decide. Hey. Did you believe that when I saw all these geese? This woman said it was geese, but she said she's never seen them form in a line, just like a long string. All perfect. All perfect. And right at the back it was, they're all in line, perfect. No going like that, like a snake. It was incredible. As if it was, I thought, are they drones? Because drones, you control drones like that. And then in my father's, who's the creator of the bird? I can put them into any frequency I want. This is a lesson for you to know that I'm bringing in new frequencies, even into the birds. I am in the control of everything. Watch out for celestial phenomena. I'm going to bring in celestial phenomena. Okay, for what's going to happen? Will the sun go dark and yet still be warm? We see signs like this. What's happening? Celestial phenomena all around. Some will realize and their hearts will drop. Others will rejoice because they've reached the vibration, while others crumble and fall because of the frequencies coming in. That will change the whole world. Mother Earth is a living organism. It is alive, and it's about to cleanse itself with the help of its creator, Father. This is the center. Don't let anyone say that outside the universe is any better. This was created, the center, and all of the things was created around it. This is the center. This is where it's all going to happen. And this gets transformed into heaven itself, greater than our abode with Father. Our Father's created this, and He will accomplish what He set out to do, to make this into the most incredible place to dwell. And from here, in billions and trillions of years, what's here will be able to be given as a gift as it grows to make others like this beautiful, beautiful earth that will shine like a star. So, which side you're on? Are you with us? Are you going to bring the kingdom in? Are you going to freak out when all this happens? Oh, Joseph. Cuckoo, you are. I've got to go. There's somebody just over there. Somebody in the field. Enough of me. Say goodbye. Someone is going to come to me. Have you got a dog blue? I don't know where the wind may blow. Where I don't know. Please blow. Please blow. Hey, get out of here. Come on. I've got to go. I've got to sort him out.